Find or read reviews that people are talking about FOLENZU Voilaist TV streaming device, smart TV streaming device, wireless display adapter, mobile screen mirroring receiver. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that TV streaming device. Our TV streaming device allows you to have a 1080p high-definition experience with a built-in dual-band Wi-Fi chip, which significantly improves the internet speed of your TV. Portable. Ensure high-speed transmission and clarity of HD video and digital audio. High-quality PVC material, lightweight. Easy to connect. TV streaming device just plug and play without any additional drivers, and easily switch between button. You will enjoy HD video and audio from your device to any TV. 1080p video display. The smartphone adapter supports up to 1080p video display, which can mirror the content displayed on the device screen, such as patterns, videos, games, movies, and more. Wireless and easy connection. No apps, no Bluetooth needed. Get connected and casting in minutes. Simply connect TV streaming device to your TV and power it. Find mirror function on your device to cast. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.